In case you missed it in our last video, earlier today we hiked to Hengifoss, the second or third highest waterfall in Iceland.
We had a drone landing pad incident today. Back up to 935.
We are going back to the waterfall. We didn't get to see it yesterday.
We're back at the same hike.
You can see the waterfall way up there. We could not see it yesterday. All we could see were the lower falls when we got right up to it. So we decided it was worth it to come back again today. It's only what, a couple miles to get there, a couple miles back? No problem.
No problem.
After dropping off some puffin eggs in the short drop, we were off on our hike. The next time we come to Iceland, we must get more of these cookies. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, so impressive. No one's here. 2 days in a row, empty.
Valley's really neat. It's crazy that there's nobody here. The last waterfall hike was pretty busy. And the special cookies almost over. Okay, please don't die by dancing or something stupid, because you see this? Look at this. This is down. I could die. Okay. Is that what a puffin does?
Well, we're here at this waterfall for the second time in 2 days.
Well, I made it down successfully. This valley's something else. On the left, you can see, you still see the waterfall, and on the right, the river coming down.
We're back.
We're back!
What a great day of waterfalls.
2 waterfalls.
Well, technically more.
1 new waterfall and 1 old waterfall. But we couldn't see the second one before, so it was really kind of a new waterfall. We had planned on going to bed earlier tonight, but then a lot of droning happened and yada yada, hours go by. And now it's wine time. I can't believe it's 8:30. It's so light out. I had no idea how late it was. We've had a long day. We went out for like 11 hours. So we are having vegan meatballs and spaghetti. We'll see if it's any good. Coming up next. We return to the eastern fjords via a crazy mountain pass surrounded by epic scenery. We saw lighthouses, puffins, and bakeries. Finally, we explored the town of Seyðisfjörður.